Feng Shui is an ancient idea, art of improving the energy of your environment. At the same time, Feng Shui was also used to invite prosperity and vitality. The beauty of Feng Shui is that it can shape and adapt to fit the needs of what's currently useful. Today, I want to tell you about a topic: how to use Feng Shui to attract luck and protection. Let's check it out. 1. The color red. Red is the most beautiful color in Feng Shui. It symbolizes vitality, which is our lifeblood. You can use the color strategically in the Feng Shui to invite protection and good luck. Paint your front door red or bring red decor items into your home, such as flower. 2. The commanding position. When you are in the commanding position, you are in the most advantageous placement to invite luck and protection yourself. You are in the commanding position when you can easily see the door or entrance from where you are seated or standing without turning your head. 3. A pair of protector at the door. Many cultures have different animal symbols that are traditionally at the entry of a home. These metaphorical gatekeepers protect the property and family while inviting good luck. 4. Snake plant. In Feng Shui, there are certain plants that are skillfully bring life and vitality into your home. 5. Black tourmaline. Black-colored crystals are useful for energetic protection. Black tourmaline, for example, can be used in your home to absorb any difficult and challenging vibration like electromagnetic fields such as electrical grinding, appliances, and power lines, but it also soaks up other negative energies. Try placing a piece of black tourmaline in each corner of your home and at your front doors to create a grid of protection. Finally, Chinese Zodiac best friends. Feng Shui practice connect to the wisdom of the Chinese Zodiac. Every year, there is a new Zodiac animal. There are 12 animals in total, and they rotate in a particular order. Most people may know that each animal has its own type of energy, but there are also many other nuances. For example, each zodiac animal has a best friend to share an ideal relationship. For good Feng Shui, see what animal of the year it is each year based on the Chinese zodiac calendar. Then find a realistic three-dimensional image of the animal of the year's best friend. Carry this image with you or display it in your home. It becomes a good luck charm that protects you from harm. Remember, it changes every year. Okay, that's all. If you see this is good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.